These are the Pedia Glycerin laxative. So it is for kids 2 to 5 years old. It treats constipation. I got this because my baby, who's currently 11 months, when he was like 9 months, 10 months, he was really constipated, and he was constipated for a few days. I want to say like 3, 4 days. And one day he woke up and he just kept crying and crying and crying, and he kept pushing and couldn't go. I called his pediatrician and they basically told me to buy this. I couldn't be more grateful for this product. Okay. If you're on the fence about whether to get it or not, I suggest that you do, because this will immediately help them. This is what it looks like. So this is one. So basically you take this orange top off and you insert it, and then make sure that you squeeze all of this in there. I want to say within less than 5 minutes, he went and he had relief. So if you have a baby who's currently going through that, even though you're trying everything else that they recommend, worst case scenario, I would suggest that you call the pediatrician and you ask them. But amazing. I couldn't be more grateful for this, because it helped my baby tremendously, and it made me feel so much better that I had a solution if it were to ever happen again. Again, this is what it looks like. It's just saline in there that you're just squeezing in there. You need to have this in your house just in case. If your baby or your toddler is constantly going through these issues, this is something that you need.